are here again at the gun show. This is the crossroad of the West, and we are here at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. This is the race track. Ito yung pinaglalaruan ng mga race car, guys. Kung manood ka dito sa Speedway, dito sa Motor Speedway is ayan.
You're vlogging?
Yeah. Hi.
I watch your videos. You went the last one here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Good. All right.
Yeah,
Say hi.
Yeah, thank you for watching my video, guys.
Yeah. We support you.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, I just met some subscriber, guys. Welcome to Barrio, bro. Yeah. Hi, welcome to Barrio. Yeah.
Okay. Go, hurry, you guys. 1, 2, 3. One more. Okay.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Nice to meet you, guys. Yeah.
Okay, take care.
Yeah, enjoy your
We will.
enjoy your guns. Okay, bro.
All right, goodbye.
Yeah. Nakakatuwa lang kasi kahit na Pinoy tayo dito o Pinoy yung salita natin sa mga vlog is marami ring nakaka-appreciate. Hi! Yeah, go. So it's a long time you did not attend gun show, right?
I know we did.
Oh, okay.
Try this new Synergy out.
Oh, what's this? Oh, it's nice.
It's in Michigan.
Just like 2011, right?
It is.
Oh, this is nice.
Try the slide. Try the trigger.
Oh, it's so smooth. This is custom AR.
Cerakote,
Yeah,
engraved, everything.
oh. But this is pistol, right?
Yeah.
AR pistol.
Or SBRs.
But it's nice.
SBR.
Yeah, SBR, yeah. Very nice. So did you do that, guys?
Huh?
Are you the one who customized this?
Yeah, we Cerakote.
Yeah.
This is our Cerakote.
Yeah.
We engraved the mags,
Yeah. Okay.
and all the work's done by us.
Oh, so this is all done by Bear Arms. Yeah, okay. Thank you, bro. Yeah. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Yeah.
So we got a 300 Norma, a 338 Lapua, 50 BMG.
Oh, this is 50 BMG?
That is 50 BMG. It is suppressed.
Okay.
We do have some bullpups here. We
Yeah.
also have our manufacturer rifles that we lifetime warranty, Cerakote finish,
Uh-huh.
adjustable triggers. I got 45 ACP, 10 mil, 3 in a blackout, 5.56 pistol, 5.56 rifle, and I've got a bunch of our custom builds on this side as well.
Oh, okay.
There's a 300 blackout that's a custom build suppressed.
Oh, that's nice.
Cerakote finish.
Uh-huh.
I've also got this.
Including this nice...
Including everything, TriggerCon optics, suppressor, everything.
Okay.
Also has the folding stock adapter as well as the tripod finish.
Oh, this is awesome. Yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Of course.
Yeah, thank you. This is 1.5. This is 500 Smith & Wesson Magnum. Look at that. And ito 425 Ruger 509. This is also Smith & Wesson. Smith & Wesson 357 Magnum. Yeah, this is 590. 535 Smith & Wesson. Oh, look at this. 300. And this 225.
How you doing, guys? Are you guys local? We're based in Basic and Motors. And we make custom
This is
builds, custom guns. These are our custom. The Cerakote engraving.
This is that Rose. This is the 380.
Yeah.
So someone will look it over there, but because it's 380, they don't have size.
Well, it doesn't mean nothing. This is Glock. Glock 43X. Oh, this is only 449. 43X. And this is Canik.
Yeah, 17.5.
949.
So for something like Gary has a little more stature and he has larger hands,
This is 6 hour.
then like the reserve flat.
And also 6 hour.
Huh?
1350.
Okay.
FMK 254. But look at this, guys. Rock Island 439. This is their arms. Taurus. And this is Springfield. 429. Sar. Oh, wow. Gaganda nito, ha? This is the Colt EPRM4 carbine. Look at this, guys. Napakaganda. And this is the Troy 762 by 51, 308. Ito. And this is the Win 556, 750. Oh, ito, look at this. Only cost 750. And this is, oh, this is nice, guys. Thank you again guys for viewing. If you are not subscribed, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Thank you.